Ebusia, come with me again, or come with me again. This is your humble servant right here on this platform, Top Gossip 24, with your humble servant. You guys know exactly what we do here on this page. I've said it that this page is set out to ensure we're straightening things up that is happening within Africa and beyond. And when you see me here with this kind of video, you just need to know that there's something going on. A while ago, I've gone through all my videos and I remember telling you guys that on the day of the citizen arrest, which is 17th or 18th, which was the date that was given by Dr. Hassan and the guys, that very day, I told you guys in one of my videos way back, okay, that was like 4 days, 5 days, or 6, let's say a week ago, right? Let's say like a week ago. And that was the video that I posted, and I told you guys that the Igbo leader, the fake acclaimed Igbo leader, okay, and the wife, they have a plan of either traveling to Nigeria, if not Nigeria, Liberia, if not Liberia, Togo, or there is a program in Central Region that they want to attend. Good. Now, most people were doubting me. A lot of people came to my comment section with bad energy. They were saying all sort of things, blah, blah, blah. Now, today, I have the proof to give to you guys, so you guys will know, because my source was so strong, and I was telling the guys that are going to do the citizen arrest that this, when you go there, you won't find this guy. Or when you guys appear there, you know, go find him, because he will find a place to go before that time. Now, let me tell you guys one or two things before I will give you access to watch a particular video that has surfaced right now. Okay, my ghost team shared that to me. So a particular video that have surfaced right now that indicate and that proved that all those people that come to my page and keep saying what they don't know, you see what I'm talking about. Now, last Thursday, before even the Friday and the Saturday, this Igbo king and the wife, they were not even in Accra. A colleague of mine told me they saw them in East Legon. Now, let me tell you guys what happened. Before the whole day approaching for the citizen arrest, this is what he did. He went through all police stations crying and yelling and almost saying that he need protection for his family. He went to the Legon police station. He went to every place. He was all over the place. At the point in time, allegedly, we were told that his blood pressure was going high. And so some of these things were all the things that prompted Dr. Hassan to just pull off, including the calls that he received from the biggest wings of government, and government wings assure him they're going to go into all these things and kind of investigate the whole thing. But like I told you guys, if you see me here, I am here because I want to show you a video in the Central Region, okay? A video in the Central Region that will prove to all of you out there that I said it, that this man and the wife have a plan and they are traveling to somewhere. Now, indication have proved that they were in Briwa in the Central Region. This weekend, they are in Briwa in the Central Region. And so this prove it, and this tells you that when I say something, you have to listen. Now, I'm going to give you guys more filler. And when I meet me, I say, filler, oh, filler. They are in the Central Region right now as I'm speaking to you. A while ago, about an hour ago, I get the indication and everything, and he was right. Okay, now let's go quickly and go and watch the video from the Central Region. Then after that, I'll come and conclude and tell you all the things you want to hear on this platform, Top Gossip 24. We'll be right back.
Also, your Facebook account coming to it.
All right, guys, so I believe strongly that you guys saw Chukwude sitting down there with a wife, right? You saw them in Central Region, Briwa to be precise. They are in the Central Region, like I told you guys. Now, if you don't believe this, then I don't know what you want to believe again. Say that they be American, me catch them say Jude and then a wife, no. Or my say that citizen arrest, no, that very day, Nankasa 16th, 17th before 18, no, they will not be in Accra. I told you guys in my previous video. Now, if you've not watched that video, I want to entreat you, go and watch. You can see the woman and the man standing there, and I've sent it as last signal, last message, last warning message, blah blah blah, all those things. Go screen through my pages and you see that this video is there like a week or two ago, and I told you guys that they will never be at home. If you go to Accra, you never meet them. If you go to their house, you never see them. They will not be around because there is a program that is going on in a central region, and this woman and the husband will be there. And if they got there, it means that they will stay over. Now, I have a question. You see the traditional leaders that are coming with the woman, I don't have anything to do with the woman. Oh, I don't have a problem with her. The only problem I have with this woman here is that she's the brain behind the husband. Now, I have questions I want to ask the people of Briwa, and I want to ask the chief and the people in Briwa. What are they doing? What is their mindset with respect to Chukudi? Is it that because of the local fuel they are bringing? Now, all this fight that is going on, when the fight gets to somewhere, people will come and blame Accra. They say, oh, Gamancheme ni amename wole, neka ame wole Gamancheme ni Gamano. They are blaming Bahaga. She ni panye no ake. Woman in New York, the pillar of whatever is going on. Ni panye no. Mean to my be central region be ake. Central region. I want to ask questions. I am here to ask questions. The people of Briwa and the chiefs of Briwa and the paramount chiefs in Briwa and the paramount chiefs in the central region need Echo to have done his part by giving this guy what he want to give him, right? Telling him what he want to tell him. What are you guys also telling your daughter, who is Madam Liberty Kweno? Again, I'm all catching with respect to what is going on, because who say only now central region. If like the citizen arrest is coming on that 18th, like I said before, it will never happen. You know why it will never happen? It won't happen because they are not home. Like I told you guys, they are not home. And Sana, you guys will try to even go there to go and think of arresting or citizen arrest, which will not happen. Now listen to me carefully, like I keep saying every time. My information reaching me actually say central region or more, they are not coming from central region today. They're gonna, I told you guys to say woman or the man or ma sit down be or central region who or ma sit down can save or empty at the normal circumstances. The citizen arrest now they will go and lodge in central region for some days. And you guys think that when they lodge in central region for some days, no, now yeah then, now be according. But you see, information reaching me HSA, Chukudi and this woman, they are in central region right now. When you can say they are in central region. You see the lies he gave to the police on Thursday, Friday before Saturday. Let me tell you guys, on Thursday, Friday and Saturday before the citizen arrest, I was told, they reliably informed that this man was all over the police station saying that his blood pressure is going high, Hassan Ayariga want to arrest him, he's scared of what is going on, his family is scared, the wife is scared, the children are scared, nobody is happy at home, blah blah blah, they are trying to arrest them. That was what she was doing on that very day. Okay, that same night, the very time that Dr. Hassan Ayariga announced that the whole thing had been cancelled, that time they were heading to central region. They were heading to central. So assuming that the boys decide that okay, whatever Dr. Hassan Ayariga, it will not even go anywhere because they have their plan and they know what they want to do. Now, I want to say a couple of things here. I told you guys that I am going to come on your way to explain to you guys a couple of things about Chuku the Jude and what is going on. Let me tell all of you that this fight has not ended. As far as what they make ni akegbomo ke ni bi ba pawo gamanche ni teko to the second air. We will never sleep on this issue. We will keep activating and keep bringing the secret and keep giving things out. So I am here to tell you guys, say they're gonna be in Central Region for like a week, okay? Approximately a week. Allegedly, information reaching out, HSA or mobile, there will be a couple of meetings that will go on, and I will tell you guys here. Now, when they come back from the Central Region, Chukwu the Jude will make a lot of visits. He will visit people allegedly, secretly, from NDC to MPP. He will visit people. Now, I told you people on my video, he said, I have NDC and MPP in my hands. Nobody can do me foco. I said it and I post a video on that. And that is the reason why he's doing this. Now, let me just say something very fine. Okay? Both the NDC and the MPP, for now, they have seen that Dr. Hassan Ayariga has a long hand. If he's able to win this battle, he will if Dr. Hassan Ayariga win this battle, if he's able to do the citizen arrest on the self-acclaimed and battle Igbo king, Dr. Hassan Ayariga will have a bright future when it comes to his political party, and he will open up. More youth will come to accept him because of that. And so they decide to take over the problem and say that they want to solve it. And I've said it that what page was on me, I will not rest. You know why I will not rest? I'm going to be on government 24/7 on this issue. If you're Nigerian and you think that because of what is going on, I'll stop talking about this issue or the way this issue is going. I saw a video when this guy, the spokesperson Niamwa, was saying that everything at long last the fight has come to an end. Niamwa, I am here to tell you the fight has not come to an end. The fight is about to take a second round. We finished the first round, third round. The fight is about to take another shape. So prepare for that longevity, because we're going to go on a different track. Okay, we'll go on a different track altogether. Now, guys, I want you guys to pay attention with me, because when they leave Central Region, they are coming to have meeting with government appointees. After Central Region, they will have a meeting with a government appointee with respect to what is going on, and they will tell him what to do. So I'm telling you guys, allegedly, information on a bar, maybe the main fans see, or somebody will tell you, just hide it and do it. See everything you talk. I will not. Because when I did, I won't. If I didn't say it and it happened, you say, oh, you didn't say it. Now I'm saying it, that this is what is going to happen. I told you guys they are planning to travel somewhere for a program, or they'll be in Central Region. That is what is happening. So you can't come and tell me it's a lie, right? I see some people coming to say it's propaganda. You always do this because it's hitting them to their core. Again, I'm saying that at the end of the day, if we don't talk about this Nigerian issue, if we don't deal with this issue with Nigeria as a country, we will just be at somewhere we don't want to be. The reason is that they say if you quack like a duck, okay, make noise like a duck, okay, and crow like a duck, it's a duck. Listen to me. If you make a noise like a duck, it makes everything that you see like a duck. It's really a duck. So if a normal Nigerian is doing trouble, if Igbos are doing things that are not good, if they are doing things that are bad, it is all of them that are doing it, because it's in their DNA. It's in where? It's in their DNA. So guys, this is the proof that I have for you on this platform. Keep following me. And I said, when you meet me, I say, fila o fila. That's it.